Morning. Just next to the beach near our hotel. Our hotel's just over there in Cala Millor. We've got a 30-mile ride planned today. Up the coast, round into the hills, a few little scenic spots, and then back in, haven't we? About 1,500 feet of climbing today, so a lot easier than yesterday. But we thought it just gives us legs a break, and then hopefully tomorrow we're going to go and do Cap Fermentor. Right, so let's crack on. Bike lane we're on runs along quite a big chunk of the coastline down here, from I think it's pronounced Silo, something like that, through Sacoma, up through Cala Millor to Calabona, and then I think it ends just past Calabona, a little harbour, I think. See. So we've done 7 miles so far. We're in this beautiful countryside now. So nice to be away from the sort of touristy areas. This farmland, look, there's a farmer doing his job before the sun gets too hot. It's lovely. Beautiful rolling hills. Very, very picturesque, quiet, nice. You hear the bells around the sheep's neck, it's cool. Reminds you of being in the Alps where they have them around the cows. Nice. I always like to think, love, that they're cheering us on and ringing a bell. Ale, ale, arriba, arriba. No, but that's your universal sign, cycling. They'd be saying arriba, arriba, arriba. God, this climb's long. Well, I can see the road ahead and it's just going up. Up and up and up. And straight. It's like being in Norfolk. Or Lincolnshire. Yeah. So, albeit we're doing a road ride today, it wouldn't be a bike ventures ride, love, would it, without an old railway. So there you go, this is the Via Verde, the Greenway. An old railway line. Runs 18 miles. Across the sort of southeast of Mallorca. We were going to hire gravel bikes, but they didn't have any, and perhaps do that, but I can't find any info about it. But I do know it's 18.5 miles long, so you get a nice 39-mile gravel ride. It does look like fairly chunky gravel in places, so we're not going to do it on these bikes because they're full carbon and I don't want to damage them, end up paying tons of money. So yeah, right, let's crack on with this climb. Sun's up now and it's a lot warmer, isn't it? It is, yeah. Whew, right. I don't know what's let's crack on in Spanish. I don't know. Spanish. Arriba. I don't know what it is. Right, I've googled it for you. Vamos a seguir adelante. But I'm just going to say vamos. Vamos a seguir adelante. Don't exactly roll off the tongue like let's crack on. Right, so vamos. A hairpin. Ooh, you little bugger, look at that. Oh, still climbing. Yeah. Carried my speed all the way up. Woo! Yes, that's satisfying when you do that. Oh, Lisa's having to push. She was a bit slower into the bottom. Oh, result. Oh, I tell you what, this saddle's like a razor blade. Oh, definitely not for me. I know most standard saddles that come on bikes aren't known for being the comfiest, but roll in. So there's the mountains where we were yesterday. In fact, is that Inca?
Yeah, it might be.
Yeah, that's possibly Inca there. That big town at the bottom, and then we went up and over that mountain range to drop down to Sacalobra, and you've got Alcudia and Palenza around to the right there. That way. Beautiful. Right, we've done the bulk of us climbing now. What we've done, 17 miles, so we're now gently rolling down to the coast, and then we're going to pick up that bike path that we started on all the way down south past our resort and ride back along the coast. Yeah. Whew. Been some lumps and bumps on there though, love, haven't there?
Yeah,
got some proper little stingers. It looked like quite a gentle uphill profile today, but there was some nice rolling bays and then just proper steep little kickers, like 12%ers, like being in the Peak District or something. Yeah, right. Vamos. I forgot the rest of it. Vamos a seguir. I'll end it. Yeah, vamos will do. We're now heading towards Manacor. Well, into a bit of a headwind. Not much. Look at this bird here, look. Ah, beautiful. There's a pair of them, there's another one further over. Awesome.
Where's the other one?
Right over by them trees on that headland. Awesome. Love watching birds just soaring. Lovely, isn't it? Hey? I'm not sure. I thought it were a kite at first. It might be someone that's not native or native to here. Look at that, that's so tempting, isn't it? She just could have, there's a path there. Should we go and ride along it, love? That looks so cool. It's like that thing in Terminator 2, isn't it? In Los Angeles, is it? They're flood defences. I'm guessing that's what it is. I mean, it don't rain a lot in Mallorca, does it? But yeah. Isn't it? A little place. That's the old railway up there, look. Via Verde, yeah. Starts there, I think there's a station. Literally there, look. Right, so we're just back on that bike path at the coast now at Sakoma. Beautiful. And this goes all the way back to our hotel. Happy days. Lovely 30 miles covered today. Some of them back lanes were awesome. Right, there we go. It was good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Lovely. Just shy of 31 miles that. It was lovely, them bike lanes in the countryside, in the little towns, away from all the tourism, was just lovely, weren't it?
Yep.
And then we've come back into Sakoma and just crawled along, stuck behind people on them.
It's the worst bit.
Well, I call them Chuckle Brothers bikes. I don't know what they call them. 4-seater things. You chuck kids in the front. People just pottering along. It's, as wide as the bike track, so it's a bit of a faff, isn't it? But yeah, awesome.
But out, when you get out of the tourist bits, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. So nice to see, like the non-tourist places. Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to go and get a shower, see our kids, and maybe grab a beer and a bite of lunch, I think.
Yep.
So, all being well, we're doing Cap Fermentor tomorrow, so we'll see you on that video. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
So, if you're in Cala Millor and you want to hire bikes, that's the place to go. Fantastic people, really friendly, lovely bikes. Top prices. We paid €96 each for 3 days of a hire of a £6,000 giant
bike.
TCR. Yeah, at least I don't want to give it back.
No, definitely.
Yeah, these guys were super friendly, super helpful. When our original bike shop let us down because they were closed on Easter Monday, these guys were more than happy to rent us bikes for 3 days. They had them in stock, not a problem, bosh. So yeah, give them a go. Bike Rent Mallorca.